Maybe your mom put your best school assignment up on the kitchen refrigerator, or maybe you had a noteworthy assignment on a display in school. But how would you react if your science experiment homework was selected by NASA to be sent into space? Let's hear from a recent DMAC graduate who can answer that question.
You know how we all have the big starry-eyed dream. Mine has always been to do something with NASA. And actually, that's how I came upon this, was through DMAC. There's a program of NASA's called the National Community College Aerospace Scholars Program.
She's very driven and excited about STEM and really loves working with NASA and everything that they do. And so when she got this opportunity to apply, submit a proposal for her idea of what to send into space, she was just overjoyed.
The project I'm currently working on right now with NASA, we're going to send algae to space. So I am growing space algae right now. The algae we're growing, it's called Haematococcus pluvialis. What this particular algae does, the reason it's rather important, is it produces a antioxidant carotenoid called astaxanthin, and it will produce that upon a state of agitation. What the hypothesis is that sending this to space, that the effects of microgravity on the algae will be enough to agitate it. And one reason we think that is the algae, they are gravitonic, which means for single-celled little algae, they can actually tell up from down. Right now, the project we're going to launch in November. We're slated to launch on November 16th through SpaceX. So it's very exciting, absolutely very exciting.